guys, good morning. This morning I'm going to be going to Falling Edge Waterfall. It is 6:47 in the morning and honestly I'm tired of COVID. I'm tired of being inside, and so I just decided, well, I'm going to go for a morning dip and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm going to try and be as detailed as I can with the directions so that if you decide to visit this waterfall, you won't get lost. So you're going to head in the direction of Stony Hill. Once you've passed the stoplight, you're gonna go straight up the road until you see an Anglican church, St. Jude's Anglican Church on the left. If you see that church, you're on the right track. You're going to continue on that road until you see a gas station that is on the left and Tasty is on the right. You're going to make the right turn immediately in front of Tasty, and we're making the turn right now. So once we make this turn, the right turn, you're going to keep straight. You see there's a right turn, another right turn on this road. Do not turn on that road. Full disclosure, the road from here on, it's not so wonderful. So if you know that your vehicle probably can't manage it, or you're sensitive about the places that you drive with your vehicle, you might need to sit this one out or get a vehicle that can manage the terrain. So we're about to come upon an intersection, and I want you to pay close attention. Now, when you get to this intersection, please turn left. We're turning left now. Fantastic. Once you are on this roadway, you are going to go straight. It's a straight drive from here on out. No turning off. No right turn, no left turn. Just go straight. But I'm going to identify some landmarks. So just in case you don't remember, once you see these landmarks, you know you're on the right track. At this point, you should be looking out for a sign that says Boone Hall Oasis. Once you see this sign, you're definitely on the right track. But remember, stay on the main road. Do not make the left turn at the sign. We're gonna drive past the sign, okay? Now, after the sign, the next landmark is the bridge. Once you see the bridge, go ahead and cross it and make your way up the hill. Next landmark is the church. Once you've reached a church, it means that you are 3 minutes away from the basic school, which is where you will park. Now, the road after the church is pretty bad, so just take your time and drive slowly on that roadway until you see the basic school. Great, we finally made it. So in case you're wondering, it's a 20 to 30 minute drive from the foot of Stony Hill by the stoplight to get to the basic school where you will park. Well, the things say no swimming, but you know how it go. You know how it go. Gotta do what we gotta do, you see me? And here we are. I'm so excited. Let's see what's going on down here. Can you hear the waterfall, guys? Alright, so we're about to go do some hiking. So what I absolutely loved about this hike is that even though I didn't know where I was going, the pathway is very, very clear. So all you have to do is just walk along the pathway and you will reach. Look at how beautiful the waterfall is. Do not come up here if you don't have your sunscreen, your mosquito repellent. Like, the bugs are ridiculous, but I feel like it's gonna be worth it. We're going in, guys. We're going in. Woo. So we're back. That was such a lovely dip in some fresh water. It was super cold. I would say that you definitely need insect repellent for sure, without a doubt. The mosquitoes will eat you. The entry fee, it's supposed to be free, but you know how Jamaicans are, we're always hustling. So there's some guys who take care of the area, clean the area, and they also burn some wood to try and run away the mosquitoes. They charge $500 for entry, so bear that in mind. Is there anything else I need to tell you? Yes, water shoes. You need water shoes. It's pretty rocky. I did it in Crocs. My Crocs, they manage the trek too, which is about a 10-minute trek to the falls, and you're gonna need it inside the falls because the falls are rocky. Outside of that, it's a good vibe. Beautiful area, and you'll definitely have some fun. It's a good little getaway right outside of Kingston. If you have COVID fatigue like me, you will definitely enjoy just coming to the falls and, you know, enjoying yourself. Bye guys.